Hey everyone, welcome to the shop. I'm James from Crowhaven Woodworks. Today we're going to look at the Alloy Man professional high volume low pressure 700 watt paint sprayer. Very similar to the Wagner and other sprayers of this type. You know, normally I'm reviewing woodworking tools, but finishing is important. Painting, doing stuff around the house. We're going to see. This is an affordable unit, and we'll see if it's any good. Stick around, and we'll be right back. Hey, welcome back. So we're gonna open it up, take a good look at it, and see what comes with this. Okay, right off the bat, we got more gloves. It's gonna go right in the glove box. We have a strainer for straining out the chunks. Let's see, a brush for cleaning the tip, a filter, and here's some different tips for different patterns. I believe, yeah, there's fine tips. This must be for cleaning out the jet, the orifice, and your viscosity cup. Oh, not the, what do we got here? We got a book. And some more goggles. It's gonna go in the goggle drawer. So we have our user manual. Going to give you a breakdown of the unit, tips, controls and functions, setting it up. This one's a little more detailed than the trim router I did for them. So it's going to give you some setups on adjusting the flow, the air mixture, and cleanup. That's good. Now we have our unit. I've had a few of these types. I've had a Wagner. I've had other brands. Feels very nice in the hand. It's got some weight to it. It like anything, the proof's in the pudding. So my wife's got a piece that she wants to paint, and we're going to try it out. All right, so we're going to meet you outside, and we're going to spray some paint. All right, so before we head outside, we're just going to fill this up, and so we're using a latex paint. This is brand new paint. I don't think we're going to have to thin this out. Okay, so we're outside. We're still in very early March here. It's a beautiful day today, but it still gets kind of cold. But I think we got some decent weather right here, so we're going to shoot some paint. Okay. And we're going to have to open this up a little bit. Okay, back inside. So, after getting used to it and making a few little adjustments on it, it did a pretty good job. Are you going to paint cars? Are you going to paint Picassos? No. If you want to paint your fence, you want to paint some outdoor furniture, stain some stuff, I think it'll work pretty good, for DIY projects and stuff like that. It's just like using the more name brand ones, and overall, I think it's a pretty good unit for the price. I will leave a link in the description of where you can get this. And hey, like anything these days, you can save a few bucks. It's worth it. So don't forget to like this video and share and comment and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one. I'm James from Crowhaven Woodworks. We'll see you later. Hello, 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 hello. Hey everyone, welcome to the shop.